Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Today we are looking at this digraph that has got two letters in it, E and W. This digraph can make two different sounds, U and U. Today we are considering words with U sound. So stay with me and try to read some words with this digraph. You, new. I love my new red dress. You, view. What a fantastic view from your house. You, few. I have a few sweets in my pocket. You, stew. I'm making a stew for lunch. You, new. I knew it. You, dew. The grass was covered with dew. You, chew. I chew my apple slowly. You, pew. I sat on the church pew to pray. You, nephew. Liam is my nephew. You, cashew. I'm really allergic to cashew nuts. D, you, mildew. There's mildew on the cheese.